What's up, guys? You know what's going on. It's Echo Build Part 1. We out here. What are the plans today, Levi?
Bro, we are modding it to the max today.
We're modding it out. So Levi is.
I made a math thing because
Yeah.
we deleted the air box, so we're making a homemade snorkel or PVC pipe. It's gonna be gang as shit. But I made the math sensor out of self tappers. Hell yeah.
RTV'd that shit in place. So we were able to keep the original MAF sensor so we can build the snorkel properly. That's looking pretty mint. Connor's out here trying to cut the muffler off. We're actually going to lift it, build a skid plate, probably a bash bar for it. But these are the original suspension, and then these are some Mark IV. They're off my Volkswagen. They're the OEM suspension, so they're gonna be stiffer, and they might add maybe an inch of lift to the rear. We're just gonna throw it in as a base, start it off like that. And if we want more lift, we'll throw in some spacers in the rear, see if we can get more lift that way. And yeah, pretty much that's what's going on.
Big room full of bad bitches. One 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 big room full of bad bitches.
So I threw my Volkswagen suspension in the rear. Yeah, so this is the front. This is the rear. I'd say that's pretty close to 3 inches.
Yeah. It's not enough to get bigger wheels in though.
I mean, if we cut it, we might be able to. But yeah, if we want bigger wheels, we'd have to double it.
Springs, yeah. Yeah, even if we got like springs from like a bigger car.
Like a Forester?
Yeah.
But it'd have to have, I guess maybe if
Like
you could just get,
cord too, something heavy.
yeah, or something American.
Yeah.
If you got just the springs out of the shock. Yeah, maybe.
Matrix are always out there, right?
Or even if you threw truck springs in the back.
Well, they gotta fit in the bottom spot, right?
True. Go jump on the back. See this travel. That's mint. So I was just out here in my broken car looking for some rubber tubing so we can extend the crankcase pressure. And I'm looking through my car and oh, NANI? That's a big wasp nest. So we're getting out of here quick. Oh, I wasn't even filming. Hey, got new tubing. Hood's closed. For the crankcase, needs to be extended. Levi's making this badass snorkel.
Oh yeah, bud.
It's gonna go about to here, and then another 45 up to there, so we can still see. We'll paint it black. It'll be mint. Snorkel's like almost done, pretty much. Needs to be glued, strapped down, but it's mint. Oh, that's awesome. I love that. Hey, Levi, come rev it up for the viewers.
Oh, you know, bud.
Yo, thing pops. making it sturdy, don't worry.
Yeah, this is just temporary until we get it.
There you go.
It's filming already.
Yeah,
Alright, Braden's just jacking up the front end. We're gonna check out this front suspension because we want a 2.5 inch lift at least. 2.5 is minimal. We want more than that if possible. Wow, I'm filming it upside down. I just screwed that whole front.
I can't fix that.
Whatever.
Actually, maybe I can.
No, you can't. It's already dicked. But whatever.
No, I can cut the video and then I can flip it. That's what I have to do with some of them because sometimes they film longitudinally even though I'm holding it sideways. Then I have to like go ahead and flip it.
See right there, that's what we want. Oh, look at that wheel gap. Hella. We're gonna also take off this front bumper real quick. I am done with it. He's just painting it. Oh yeah, Connor's painting the PVC so it doesn't look so jank. And if y'all don't know Connor, you guys don't know anything. Blocks of wood in there. Maybe men.
Up there, throw some blocks of wood up there.
Yeah. How much wood you got, dude?
A little.
Let's just throw some wood in there.